Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So today I'm doing the unboxing, but this is not an expensive Hermes or Hermes bag or anything. I bought it online. It's from the Petit collection. It's like a blind box. I'm just trying to get a tote bag. So this is the package. You have to order it online and you can pick it up at the store or they can deliver it to your house. So I pick it up at the store, okay, and this is the package. I haven't opened it. It's called a blind box because the pattern, the color, everything, I do not even know. So that's the fun of ordering Petit collection. So I am doing that with you and see what I got as a tote bag. Okay, so let me, oops, I knew it. Normally when you're doing this kind of video, it doesn't go very smoothly, doesn't it? Okay, okay, so I just open, the white box. So they do have another box inside. Okay. Is a pretty nice, even white box that I've got. And of course, they give you a little something together with your delivery. I always got that. It's either a small perfume or things like that. So, oops. Let's see what I have. Oh yeah, they have the cosmetic series. So this is the lipstick shine, okay, and I dropped something on the floor, which is the brush to use it, as well as I mentioned, some perfume. Okay, so let me put a small gift inside. Oh, another color of the lipstick shine. Okay, so I put it back, and then this is the receipt. I paid online already, so let me remove this box and show you what's really inside of this orange box. Okay, as I say, I haven't opened before, so I'm unboxing with you. So I always like this. I got this with the Petit collection that I bought last time with the bracelet as well. It is, very interesting that, I use it. You can use it like a charm or something like that. So this is what will be interesting for me to use as well. Okay, let me show you very quickly. Yeah, so this is the lovely little charm that you can make it a charm, and that you can hang it with your handbag. So this is also included in the package, which normally if you bought it from the store, you don't get this kind of things. Okay, oh, okay, so now this is the tote bag that I got, and actually I really like it. I really like it. Okay, so the tote bag is actually, that I have is blue in color, and then they use the two tie as the string, and then they have the logo here as well. Okay, and then of course this is the pattern, the same match with my necklace as well, of Hermes or Hermes. And this is my new tote bag. So, I really love this color and the combination. So I'm very lucky to have something that I really like. So sometimes, last time I got the bracelet, which is like pure orange in color that I do not like that much. But this time, opening the blind box, the tie, and the pattern, the color and everything is something that I will wear very easily with jeans and such. And the reason why I want to order this tote bag is because I have an A-line. I've used it for many years. And sometimes when you go to the beach destination, whatever, you do not want to carry an expensive bag or anything. And sometimes a tote bag especially going to museums, whatever, it's quite classy, you know, my taste. So that's why I ordered, you know, the Petit H from Hermes. So this is what I got. I hope you enjoy my unboxing experience and introducing Petit H by Hermes to you.